Hey guys, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you for accepting your free video. And today we're going to go over a few tips that you can apply right away that's going to help with your online presence and getting more organic leads. It is important to note that nearly 70% of your organic leads are going to come from this website. So it is really critical that your website be properly optimized so you can capture that traffic. So as you can see, we're on your website. You have a nice looking website. I'm not able to tell if the mold remediation is the only service or not. If it is, then that's okay. I did notice going through your pages, you do have some content, but you don't really have any keyword focused content. Your homepage really needs to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content or more, depending on your competitors. And your content needs to be built around your local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for your services. And they're also going to be location based. So it'll be like mold removal, mold testing, mold testing St. George, etc. So you're going to need to focus on those local buyer intent keywords, and you're going to have to build your content throughout your entire website around those keywords. You're going to need a minimum of 250 words for every keyword that you're trying to target. And if you're servicing multiple areas and counties, you definitely want to consider having a separate page for every single service area so that you can be found organically in those areas for your different clean air solutions, mold treatments, etc. So you're definitely going to want to work on the content on those pages. If you do have other services besides the mold treatment and remediation, you definitely want separate pages for those as well. All pages need their own original content and their own keywords. Google has little robots that go and index all of these pages looking for your content and keywords so that you can be indexed and ranked, and so that Google can put you in front of your customers when they're searching for your solutions. Now, your top competitor in St. George is Bio1, and Bio1 is another franchise, but you are actually at an advantage because most franchise websites are not designed in a way that the franchisees can actually customize the website to focus on their local keywords. And you having your own website, even though you are a franchisee, allows you to make those customizations. So it's actually super easy to beat these guys. Now, you can see they have more content. So in order to beat these guys, you're definitely going to need more content. They also have different pages, at least for the counties that they're servicing. So you definitely would want to do that as well if you're servicing multiple areas. And then in addition to that, you're going to need SEO, which is search engine optimization. So right here, we can see that Google has given you a rating of a 0 out of 100 in Google's trust flow for your website as a whole. And that is based on your referring domains and backlinks. You really don't have very many, but not all of these are created equal. So you do need a lot of referring domains and backlinks, but you need to make sure they're of good quality, highly authoritative, meaning they're directly related to your services and industry, and that they do follow links so that they share the power of the high-ranking sites. A referring domain is any website that provides a link to your website, and the backlink is the physical link coming from a referring domain to your website, and the intention is to drive traffic. If we look here, only 2 of your referring domains are do follows, which means only 2 out of your 20 links are doing anything remotely to help your website. Because you don't really have a whole lot of content, you have 0 keywords that have been indexed, and you're getting 0 traffic organically to your website. So you're missing out on a ton of potential customers. If we look at your competitor, we're actually not competing against the franchises as a whole. We're only competing against that specific area. And so they have a 0 rating as well, with 1 backlink, 1 referring domain. And so you need to beat this. You have to have more than 1 good quality referring domain, which you do. But you also have to be tying those backlinks to your keywords so that you can rank. These guys have 1 keyword, and they're getting 0 traffic right now to their mold remediation pages. So these guys are going to be super easy to beat. The only reason they're outranking you is because of the power of the site and their organic keyword. So they actually have 1, and they're ranking higher than you for the keywords. And then the last part of this is this Google Maps section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for each service area and your keywords, because 30% of people go straight to the maps and don't search anywhere else. And so if you're not listed here, you send all those leads to your competition. In order to get in this top 3 spot, there are several factors, but the most important are going to be citations, and that's going to be the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and LinkedIn. And so you're going to need a lot more citations than your competition. And when you follow all these tips I provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all of your services and service areas using those local buyer intent keywords supported by SEO backlinks. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I would really love your feedback on this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon.